Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here we are at the Dollar Tree in the front of the store where they have all their seasonal stuff. So let's go through their fall items. Come with me, guys. So the Dollar Tree is really coming in with some beautiful items, especially faux leather items, and you're gonna love their pumpkins, guys. So now if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, I am so grateful for you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now make sure and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell where it says all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Now make sure and full watch the video, click that like button and then comment below because I would love to hear from you. Okay guys, let me go ahead and show you what they have. I'm so excited. I'll see you at the end. Now I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.